Okay, we are ready for drywall. Insulation is done. I have packed this thing to the gills on both sides of the wall. Now we're just drywall, and then we'll get the door in. Oh yeah, we spray foamed up some odd corners. Down here, just to make sure that we weren't letting anything go through. And that's the next step. Now it's drywall. We'll close it all off. So it feels pretty good. Feels like it's coming along, and it's taking out lots of noise from upstairs. So here we go, on to the next one.
So when it comes to drywall, I kind of think like electrical. It's the finish, so it tends to be the thing that anyone would notice if it looked good or if it looked bad. So I paid a professional to come in and do the drywall, but as I understand it, drywall is not the most challenging of things, but if you want it to look good, in my opinion, hire a professional because they know what they're doing. But anyway, finish it off how you want to. This is what I did, and I think it looks pretty good.